Ito kasi ginagamit ang iba. Yan. Lingayo. Pag mali yung ano mo, sagutin mo.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
Ba't yun ah?
Ano ba sinabi?
Ay, hindi. Mali.
Or dapat?
Dapat
5 minus
1. Eh, ba't ganun? Di ba 5 minus 4?
ano ba? Ano, negative 1.
Ba yun? Ba't ganun ah? Ang dugang.
Negative 1.
Ang duga.
Sige, isa pa ulit.
Putik, ayun na siya. Yan ang Barbie. Barbero, takbo. Eh, wait lang. Nangahabol. Oh, teacher. Oh, ayun. Teacher yan! Teacher. Lasun. 8 plus 6.
14.
14?
Oo.
14. 5. Oh my God. Is math subject. Kalbo. Ano yung kalbo niyo? Ano? Ay. Lord. Ano yun? Yung nagdadala sa guidance yung isa. Yung maano na takbo. Tumatakbo.
Tago ka.
Wala nga mukha ano eh. Ito.
Huli ka.
Papatayin ka pa niyan?
Hindi, papaluin.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite. I can't believe it. You're incredible. Problems are doing fantastic. Good one. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Problem 1. 8 minus 5. I can't believe it. You're incredible. Problem 2. 2.
Eh, puta ba't gali? Ay, lulilil. Ang hirap po siya ng pinaka. Hirap ng ano. That's hard. Again. Pag-ingay.
Ma. Takot ako.
Yun. Dito. Sweep. Bye-bye. Ang pangit nga.
Let's try. Wait, no. You messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, let's wait. Let's play again. Somehow.
Lambok. Ayun. Yung book.
2. Ayan o, negative 2. Mura mo. Baliktad.
Ano?
O naman.
Ah, okay. At ganun ulit?
Negative 2. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko makita. Ano ba yan? Okay.
Password
Hindi mo
team.
talaga ano?
Ay, hindi talaga.
Hindi mo sasagot yan. Yan.
Mani.
Mani. Anong mani? Sino mani?
Bakit kasi nakaganon naka-earn?
Ah, pugotik.
Salo. Ba't may gunting?
Team yan eh.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me. Oh, hi. Welcome to my school. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. You're doing fantastic. You're doing fantastic. Good one. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Problem 1. 9 minus 1 equals...
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Noni. Noni, wag ka. Uy, tumakbo ka.
No running in the halls. 15 seconds. Detention for you. When will you learn?
Someone. I want to play with someone.
Kamay. Wala na takbo eh.